looking for. It's these indications of the major outlines. And when I look at it this way, I can begin to see what I may want to add out into here. While this is still wet, I wanted to bring my brush tip in and kind of following the lines that I used with the graphite, get some shapes in here and indications of perhaps a wing and an eye, and these lines coming out here. And so I can see those pencil marks, but it's okay, I'll be adding more layers. Just going to squeeze some out here directly. Okay. I want to mix up some of my other colors. So I'm going to put out, let me get a new plate. I'm going to mix up a few colors for you. The effect we want. Let me just get some water onto here and get this wiped off. See what it looks like when it goes on thin? You can start to see the crackles. So here's the trick, is you spray it with water first. You spray it with water first, and then you use a damp brush, even more water onto your paint. And I kind of like to put it on and then wipe it back. I'd rather build up the layers because I want it to go down into these cracks.